So instead of using Gen 2 to generate videos from text or image, you can also use this other tree as well. Let's jump in and see this tree. Okay, so before we move on, please do subscribe and like our videos, and that will be a big help to for us to create more videos. The first one is the PikaLab. PikaLab allows you to use image or a text prompt. So once you sign up with PikaLab, it gets you to Discord so that you can be able to generate the image. So make sure to have an account with Discord. Once you do that, here you are in the PikaLab Discord. You have the generate 1, generate 2. You can choose any of this. Let's choose generate 1, which is the most popular. So we are in the text box here. Simply type in a /, and then you have the option of animating an image, create just using the text prompt, and you have the option of both image and a text prompt. We just want to use the text prompt, so let's click here and then paste in our prompt. The same prompt we're gonna use for all these three. So once we have that, hit enter to generate our video. So it's gonna give a little time. Let's wait until it's finished generating the video. So here's the video that we generated using the PikaLab. To download that, you have the option here to click, and you can download the video. You can also regenerate this. PikaLab have this option of regenerate the same text prompt again. So let's do that. You can regenerate as many as you want to. So here's some of the videos that we regenerate this again. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one, which is the MoonValley. Now here in the MoonValley, just like PikaLab, you have to sign up, and once you sign up, it gets you to the Discord. In the Discord, you can be able to select any of this here, new moon 1, new moon 2, and any of this, so you can start creating your video. So let's select the new moon 1. Again, just like the PikaLab, you have to hit a /, and then you have the option of create. Now we just type in our text prompt. So with the MoonValley, there is no option to upload an image. You only have to type in a text prompt. And then once a text is being typed in, you have the option of choosing the style. So you have the comic, fantasy, animate, realism, and 3D. So let's select the realism. You also have the option of the time, 2 to 5 minutes, it generate a 1 second video. 4 to 8 minutes, it generate a 3 second, and 8 to 12 minutes, it generate 5 seconds. So let's just click on 8 to 12 minutes to generate 5 second video. So let's hit enter to generate our video. So let's wait until it's ready. We'll be back again. So here's the video generated from the MoonValley. MoonValley does not have this option of regenerate again, so you have to copy your prompt and then paste it again to generate new video again. So now let's move on to the final one. So this one is called Genmo. Genmo have the option of generating image, video, 3D, and animate a GIF. So with Genmo, it's very interesting. All you have to do is using the Copilot here to start generating. So let's paste our prompt into the Copilot and hit enter. And it's gonna ask us to see what we're gonna do with that. So the Copilot here suggests that approach. Let's generate an image with the option. So the Copilot is going to generate an image for us. So all I have to do is provide input, and it's gonna generate an image. And this is very interesting, just not like the others where you type in your prompt or upload an image. Here you're using the text, communicate with the Copilot here to generate the image that you want. So here's a beautiful image generated from that, and now we can tell the Copilot to use this image to generate a video. Okay, so here it says, okay, based on the image you've generated, your instruction, it sounds like you like a video created from that image. I can use the generate video tool to do this. So I generate a 2-second video with a caption, a scenic view of a tranquil lake at sunset with fluffy cloud in an orange sky and a sailboat drifting in difference. It's very interesting because you as the Copilot. Now you can really add some more details to this. For example, here we can edit on like generate a 5 seconds long video, 10-second long video. It's up to whatever that you want to. So our video that is generated is already being done here. You can see Genmo more, just use the what we have as the image and generate a very beautiful video here. So let's just download this. Okay, so tell me in the comment below which one of these you like. I thank you again for watching.